The main thing you'll notice is that there's a new icon, the trips icon, and this is what, again, the mobile worker will use primarily for recording their trips. And the idea is, the metaphor is pretty straightforward. It's a trip. And just like you can do shifts and start a shift, end a shift, today you can, with the new mileage manager, you can start trips and end trips. And let me show you what that looks like. So simply, when you're in the field, when you've got your phone, if you're going to travel and you want to keep track of it, you simply touch the trips icon. That takes you into a screen that lets you start a trip. And to start a trip, all you have to do is record the odometer. And in fact, we have a feature where it will keep track of the last odometer that you entered, for example, at the end of your last trip. And if you want, you can just use that odometer value, which is what I'll do, 85.28. And if you want to, all you have to do is, all you can do next is just hit the start button down the bottom. Or you can additionally, if you want to get additional validation or different verification, you can also take a picture. So I can just touch the camera icon. And I'm in the office, so excuse this, but we'll pretend that this is my odometer in my car. So I can just take a picture of that. And now, in addition to the typed in odometer value, I now have a picture that I took at the time that I started the trip. Now I've driven for some amount of time and I'm somewhere else. And if I want to end the trip, all I have to do is type in a new odometer value. So let's say I drove, a couple extra miles here. And then I just say end trip. And that's it. So now I have, so on one click, basically I've started a trip. And then at the end of the trip, I just update the odometer, say the end of the trip, and I'm done. Very simple, incredibly easy, very low effort.